I'm a man.
I'm a man.
I'm a man.
I'm a man.
I'm all man.
That's why I support the Women's Fund.
I was the first male donor to the Women's Fund of Central Ohio.
I'm a man, and I support the Women's Fund because when you empower women and girls, all of society benefits. It impacts families, it impacts communities, and I bet in some small way it even impacts sharks. And I can't think of anything more awesome than sharks, except philanthropy and stuff.
There are two types of men in the world, those who support the Women's Fund and that other kind.
I'm a man, and my daughters aren't, but I want them to live in a world of equality between men and women.
I like my cars fast, my steaks rare, and my Women's Fund funded.
I like fixing stuff, breaking stuff, and empowering women and girls through social change.
I'm a man, and I can support the Women's Fund with one hand tied behind my back. I'll do it right now. Who here will hold my baby? Support the Women's Fund. It is a consummate dream finder.
A lot of people seem to think that only women can support the Women's Fund.